How many languages can you speak? What's your mother tongue? Do you like English language? Can you speak English easily? Is it easy to learn English? Is there any good institution for learning English? Please tell me that one, and where is it? What's its fee? What's the minimum duration for learning spoken English? Speaking English totally depends on practice, environment and good guidance. Is it right to learn English? What problem do you face while learning English? What problem do you face while speaking English? Is it possible to learn English within 3 months? What do you think about the advertisement of English spoken? Is it necessary to learn English? Why is it necessary to learn English? What are the benefits of learning English? The ordinary Englishman can speak English easily, but why can't we? What things are necessary for learning better English? What should I do to learn better English? Thank you.